Namaskar, good evening everyone. Today we will be making the gatta curry. So gatta curry basically a Rajasthani cuisine, Marwari cuisine recipe where we have the basically two things, the gatta sabzi and the gravy. Both we have to making with the besan, the gram flour. So for gatta we have to make the dough. So for dough we have besan. We will also use the coriander and soft crushed, some soda, baking soda, some whole cumin, some red chili, salt of course, and also some kasuri methi and red chili powder. So we'll make a dough out of it and then we will boil and fry it. So we'll take the besan, we'll add salt to it and the crushed coriander and soft powder. Little bit of chili flakes, some red chili powder and also some turmeric. Little bit of mustard oil, and of course some water. So we have also made the dough. Now we have to roll it and we have to cut it as per the desired shape. So basically we have to cut like for 2 inches or 1.5 inches, or you can make it as big or as small as you want. So after making the dough we have to boil it. So for that we have kept the boiling water. Along with that we also drizzle some oil over here, and then we'll just simply drop the gattas. Let it boil for some time. So now we have to strain the gattas. Now we'll keep it aside. So we have kept the oil for frying. So let's see if the oil is ready or not. I think it's ready. Now we'll put the gattas. कर दिया बोल के है ना, स्टार्ट कर दिया. It's time to take out the gattas. So we've already done. It should be the color. So after making the gatta, so we'll make the gravy. So for that we'll heat the pan and we'll add desi ghee. It will take some time to heat it up. Now we'll add some cumin, some coriander and soft crushed, little bit of garlic, frying. We have to make a mixture out of yogurt and besan. And little bit of water. And we have to whisk it properly. So into the yogurt mixture, we'll add some coriander powder, little bit of turmeric, some red chili powder, and hing, little bit. You have to mix it. Now we'll pour it into the plate. So now we will add some water to it. Now we will whisk it vigorously and make it a high flame. We'll add some more water to it. And let it cook for a boil. Now we'll add some salt to it. Now we'll add the gatta to it. The consistency should be like this. Now the gatta is ready. You can have it with hot chapati or rice and enjoy the gatta. Thank you.